Welcome to House Design. In this SolidWorks tutorial, we're going to go over some advanced mates. So let's get started with placing this part. We want to mate it to this face here where the holes are to screw it down on this tapped hole here. So first, we're going to do our Coincident Mate by selecting these two faces. It'll show us a preview. Hit OK. Now we want to center this along the hole. We can either do a Concentric Mate. We select our two and it'll center it that way with our concentric, or we can do an advanced mate. If we go to our we can do a with mate, where we first select the two faces of this with cutout. For our first selection, and then for our second selection, we select the width of our component here, and it will automatically, using symmetry, split the difference and center it that way. You can see it shifts it over. Holes are lined up. So those are just two ways of using mates, either by concentric to line it up or with our advanced with mates. Comment below which other advanced mates you would like to see as a tutorial, and subscribe to the channel.